Hello, 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 boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday evening. Yes, September the 13th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 stars, Sudoku. We have a jigsaw Sudoku left, and the binary. Yes, you are interested in the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 7090. Yeah, 7090. Let me position the camera first. Yeah. 709. No, not 7090. 7091. Before I start, I always count up between the digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 18 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then between two O's comes an 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Double O, 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Ooh, we have here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Well, double 1 here, no there, no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two ones comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes a 1. Finished in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again. I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. The 4-star Sudoku. Yeah, until then, bye bye for now.